planet of fire and lightning. Imagine pulling back a thick curtain of time. We travel back, not thousand, not million, but 4.6 billion years into the past, a time when something called Earth didn't even exist. Everything was just a giant cosmic chaos. In the depths of space, clouds of dust and gas left over from the death of an ancient star began to swirl slowly like cosmic dance. This rotation helps form the young sun. The sun ignites, and around it, tiny particles start sticking together. Dust became pebbles, pebbles became rocks, and endless collisions gradually built a massive, molten sphere. That fiery sphere is what we will one day call Earth. But the newborn Earth was nothing like that calm home we know today. There were no trees, no lakes, no, not even a drop of water. Just a blistering mountain, world covered with red and black lava. Its surface looked like an endless ocean of fire. Every few seconds, enormous chunks of space debris slammed into it. And if we had been there at that time, we wouldn't have survived even a single heartbeat. Eventually, the planet began to cool down. But cool is a relative word. The whole surface was still erupting with massive volcanoes, pouring out rivers of lava and sending towering columns of smoke into the sky. These volcanoes created Earth's first atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor, methane, ammonia, but something was completely missing. There was absolutely no oxygen. If you tried to breathe that atmosphere today, you would collapse instantly. As millions of years passed, Earth cooled a little more. The huge amount of water vapor in the sky began to fall as rain, but not rain like today. Imagine rainfall that continues for thousands of years without stopping. Each drop hit the scorching ground, instantly turning back into vapor, rising again into the sky. This cycle repeated endlessly until Earth finally cooled enough for water to remain on its surface. And that's when the first hot, boiling ocean formed, full of minerals, metals, and strange chemical compounds like a giant cosmic soul. Now imagine the sky of that era, dark, covered in black clouds, volcanic smoke, and bursts of nature's fury. Lightning constantly through the sky, far more powerful than anything we see today. These massive electrical discharges struck the ground and the boiling ocean again and again, creating the raw energy needed to push chemistry towards something extraordinary. Here is where wonder and science come together. A planet that began as nothing more than a ball of molten rock was now becoming a laboratory for the universe, preparing the ingredients for the strangest and most beautiful event in cosmic story. The beginning of life without the raging volcanoes, without the thousand-year storms, without the violent lightning strikes. Life might never have happened. In those early days, Earth was a giant experimental playground where nature constantly mixed, heated, and reshaped everything. And just like that, the opening chapter of life began. A world born from chaos, from fire, from cosmic disorder, now ready to evolve for billions of years until it would eventually have creatures capable of talking about its extraordinary past. Us, human beings.